There's a constant refrain about how top companies, the Googles, the Metas, the Microsofts of the world, seem to be constantly downsizing or laying off folks. Is that really true, or is the reality a lot more nuanced? Here is what's going on in the market. The reality is that top companies are not really downsizing, they're reorganizing. And you guessed it, they're reorganizing around AI. Folks, my name is Ryan. I am one of the two co-founders at Interview Kickstart. We are the leading top company learning platform for AI. We've trained over 20,000 alumni, and we have over 700 instructors from the world's best companies. All of this puts us in a very unique position to build a nuanced understanding of what's really going on in the market. AI is a transformational technology, and top companies are very well positioned to take advantage of this technology. They have the 4Ds. They have the data, they have the distribution, they have the data centers, and they have the dough to be able to invest in building tomorrow's AI platforms. Given all of this, they are aggressively reorganizing around AI talent. Where is the proof, one might ask? To answer this question and to get a sense of how to build your AIQ and thrive in today's AI environment, stick around for the rest of the video. If you look at LinkedIn, you'll realize that 1 in 4 or 1 in 3 jobs today are AI-led jobs. Much more importantly, even traditional jobs like software engineers, engineering managers, TPMs, PMs, cloud folks, so on and so forth, are very often now coming out saying AI preferred. And so the reality is, if you want to thrive in today's AI-led world, you really need to double down and build your AIIQ, or as we call it, your AIQ. So how does one build their AIQ? AI is a continuum, and if you want to build AI skills, there are multiple things you can do. Broadly, there are 5 areas where you can build AI skills. The first is in the areas of LLMs, learning how to leverage LLMs to work much better in your day job. The second is to learn some of the new coding tools that are out there that are AI driven. The third thing you can do is learn to build generative AI applications. The fourth, the buzzword of today, is learn agentic AI. And the fifth is to go on and learn deep machine learning. The first two, i.e. learning how to use LLMs and learning AI tools, are things that you can do on your own time. They're not very complicated, and they can be done fairly quickly. The transformational skill sets, the one that bring in the moolah, are generative AI, agentic AI, and deep ML. These are skills that require some time, but can be mastered. The reality is, when you master these skills, you see a dramatic rise in compensation. We have seen that a level for level, people who have AI capabilities can often have an increase in compensation of anywhere between $50 going all the way to $300,000 for the same level. Moreover, we've all seen the recent news about top AI talent getting hundreds of millions in offers. And so that is really where the demand is. And so if you want to not just survive, but thrive in today's AI-led world, build your AIQ. Now, as a bonus, I constantly get this question, hey Ryan, if I were to move into an AI-led role, will I need to move 2-3 levels down in my career? The answer is no. We're at a place today where there is such extensive demand for AI-led talent that you can very easily maintain parity with an increase in compensation if you get AI enabled. Quickly to recap, that the market is nuanced. Top companies are not laying off folks. They're not downsizing. They're reorganizing around AI, both AI applications as well as deep machine learning. If you are in this space, then the way to survive and thrive is to build your AIQ. And the areas to focus on building your AIQ is really generative AI, agentic AI, or deep ML. If this is something that interests you or fascinates you, sign up to one of our webinars or one of our masterclasses, links provided in the comment section.